Should you buy the Infinix Note 60 Ultra? If you ask me, I would say yes and no, run away! Now, Infinix is calling this smartphone a premium smartphone. This device is packing a lot of features. It even has features that you don't see on other smartphones within its price range. That said, in this video, I'm going to let you know everything there is to know about this smartphone, what makes it special, and whether it's a good idea to buy it or not. Just looking at the box, you can tell that it's not a regular smartphone. This thing is premium. In a world where most smartphones look identical and they copy each other, Infinix decided to do something different. They partnered with Pininfarina, the legendary design house known for creating some of the world's most iconic supercars, to design this smartphone. Check out the SIM ejector of this smartphone, check out the wireless charging stand. This thing looks very good. You get a case, you get a screen protector, you get earphones, USB Type-C cable, and a 100-watt fast charger. The Infinix Note 60 Ultra is a beautiful smartphone and it comes in 4 exciting colors. The Torina Black and the Monza Red are my favorite ones. Now let's talk about the build quality. This phone feels premium, no doubt. It feels very good in the hand, and thanks to the contoured edges, it's very easy to hold and use for long hours. Plus, it's not a heavy smartphone. This smartphone comes with an aluminum frame, a unique unibody, uni-chassis camera module. This phone looks and feels like an expensive smartphone. Now, I mentioned earlier that it's an IP64 rated device. That is the only area where Infinix made a little bit of compromise. But apart from that, everything else about this smartphone feels premium and it feels well put together. For the external features, this smartphone comes with a SIM card tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards. You also get dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL and they sound really good. For the buttons, there are 3 of them: the power button, the volume rockers, and a 1-tap button that you can customize to quickly launch apps or perform an action. Now, this right here isn't a button. It's actually an advanced health monitor. How it works is you place your thumb on it and in about 30 seconds, it completes a scan. It can measure your heart rate, blood oxygen level, and heart rate variability. It even gives you an insight into your stress level, and it uses AI to provide basic health advice. Is it a useful feature? Yes, but it's not one that people are going to use every time. Also, I noticed that the location to access the advanced health monitor is a bit hidden. It's located in the notification area. I mean, you should be able to access it from the Infinix My Health app. This smartphone has an IR blaster to control appliances by infrared. Moving to the right, it features an active matrix display and a light effect. The active matrix display can be customized. You can pick different pets, you can add text, and it comes on when you have a notification. The fingerprint scanner on this smartphone is located on the display. It's an optical fingerprint scanner and the unlocking speed is fast. Now let's talk about the standout feature of this smartphone, and I'm going to start with the satellite calling and messaging feature. This smartphone is equipped with the hardware needed to connect directly to a satellite, and once you're connected, you can make and receive calls as well as send and receive messages. Now, for it to work, you're going to need a satellite provider SIM card, and I tried it with Turaya and it worked. This smartphone also supports eSIM. Powering the Infinix Note 60 Ultra is the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset. Now, many people who follow me on Instagram and TikTok expected this smartphone to come with a Snapdragon chipset. But the thing is, for the price of the Infinix Note 60 Ultra, the competing Snapdragon processor you're going to find in a brand new smartphone is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset. And if you compare both chipsets and look at the stats, the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 chipset performs better in terms of CPU performance and in gaming. Check out the Antutu score of the Infinix Note 60 Ultra. It has a score of over 2 million. Now, I don't know if you guys know this, but Antutu has a ranking system where you can see your smartphone score. And look, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra is actually faster than 2-year-old, 3-year-old flagship devices. In terms of pricing, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra sits in the upper mid-range category. Now, there's a bit of confusion because Infinix calls it a flagship device, and technically, they are not wrong. It's their flagship device, meaning it's the best device they have released this year. But when you look at the wider market, it doesn't quite qualify as a true flagship. And that's simply because of the price gap between upper mid-range devices and real flagship smartphones. Launching apps on this smartphone is fast. Multitasking is fluid as this smartphone comes with 12 GB of RAM. This smartphone can handle all the apps you use daily without lag, and for gaming, it ran games well. It was able to run PUBG at 120 FPS and the gameplay was smooth. For Call of Duty Mobile, it ran the game at 90 FPS, which is great. Mobile League Bang Bang ran at 120 FPS. So as a gaming smartphone, it ticks all the boxes. This smartphone can run games, and funny enough, it doesn't really get hot because it has a liquid cooling vapor chamber inside that keeps the temps of the smartphone low when you're playing games. This smartphone runs on Android 16 and it's going to get 3 years of Android OS updates and 5 years of security updates. It also has many useful AI features. You guys already know Folax, the AI assistant on this smartphone. It's available to answer your questions on it. This smartphone also has an AI call assistant that can summarize calls for you. It can translate calls. Now, when you're using the smartphone, you're going to notice one thing. It is very fast and fluid. Part of the reason is XOS 16. It's a very fluid user interface. And it even has this cool depth effect, which makes the homepage look very cool. Everything feels very smooth and I haven't had any lag with it. It doesn't show me ads, so using the smartphone has been a delight. Now, one thing that is a little bit annoying because this is a premium smartphone is it comes with bloatwares, but luckily you can delete or disable them. Now, the display on the Infinix Note 60 Ultra is actually very good. It's a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. The colors the display shows is very sharp, very vivid. Watching content on it is awesome. This display supports HDR content and also Ultra HDR content. So you're going to get good contrast, good colors, good highlights. The display looks amazing. Another aspect of the display that I like is the brightness. It has a peak brightness of 4500 nits and a high brightness mode of 1600 nits. Let's talk about the cameras. Starting with the selfie camera, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra features a 32-megapixel camera and the pictures it captures look color accurate, it shows good details, it handles HDR well. As you can see, the sky isn't blown out. Indoor pictures look good as well. I like how natural the pictures look. It isn't trying to bleach my skin. So right now I'm outside shooting in 4K 30 FPS. What do you guys think about the video quality? It looks good. It looks good. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And it has stabilization, so I can jog backwards and the footage will still be stable. Well, let me know what you guys think about the video quality in the comment section below. Moving to the rear cameras, it has a 200-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL periscope camera. The pictures captured by the main camera looks beautiful. It shows good colors, good details. One thing I noticed is that the colors captured by the main camera and the ultra-wide camera are not consistent. The ultra-wide camera tends to alter the saturation and in some cases, it changes the color. Now, moving to the 50-megapixel periscope camera, it's actually good. It captures plenty of details and using it to capture portrait pictures is just awesome. So one thing you cannot tell me is the rear camera is very good. Shooting in 4K 30 FPS. What do you guys think about the video quality? Is it not sweet? Don't lie. Don't lie. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Now, the battery on this smartphone has been excellent. It packs a massive 7000 mAh battery that can easily last for an entire day. This smartphone supports 100 watts fast charging, so you can top it up quickly. You also get 50 watts wireless charging, 10 watts reverse wireless charging, and 10 watts wired reverse charging to power other devices. Now for the price, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra starts at 1 million naira or just around $714. Some people might say that this smartphone is expensive, but honestly, I actually think it's fair. When you compare it with other brand new smartphones within its price range, this one is better. It offers more features and delivers stronger overall performance. So why are we complaining about the price? Yes, you could get better raw performance from a 2-year-old used flagship smartphone, but not everybody wants to deal with a used smartphone with reduced battery health or the risk of issues like screen lines. If you're looking for a brand new device within 1 million naira, the Infinix Note 60 Ultra actually stands out as the best option in its price range, at least in my region. So what do you guys think about this smartphone? Let me know in the comment section below.